My boy Duke Dennis getting phone number with the flip phone, man. My boy is back. Yo, part 3? Where was that? How was the part 1, part 2? Where was that? Alright, let's get it, man.
Hey, I'm on my way to Phoenix. This low-key might be the last video of the year. So let's go out with a real banger, man. 100,000 likes in the first 24 hours. First day, 100,000 likes. Make sure y'all subscribe too, cause we grinding for 3 million, and I know we gonna get it, cause we been going crazy. Listen, bro, Phoenix is probably my favorite city. I'm gonna tell you why. As soon as I landed, bro, I checked my Instagram. Every single person in Phoenix hit me up, it seemed like. All the women hit me up. Niggas hit me up telling me the food places, where to go, where to be, the places to be, and things of that nature. Hell, a nigga even, one nigga sent me 20 Arizona bitches. Like, bro, that nigga did not have to do that, bro. Like, you didn't have to do that.
Sorry, Duke. Sorry, Duke Dennis. Look, it's so cold, man. I gotta wear a fucking robe. And I don't like heat. Heat made me itch, so let's go.
Do that, bro. But you did that at the kindness of your heart, and like, bro, like, it be little shit like that that I appreciate, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, bro, that's some real nigga shit, you know what I'm saying? But like, nigga sent me a list of goddamn 20, 30 Arizona hoes. Not that I'ma use it, cause like, I'm celibate and shit, but like, also, nigga, I'm on a motherfucking flight, and as soon as I landed, I got like a homie vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like, I got a homie vibe. I was putting on my hoodie while on the flight, and an old bald man beside me, he sitting beside me, he seen me struggling, he say, sir, he tapped me, he say, sir, do you need me to pull the hoodie down? Cause it's rolled up in the back. I say, you know what, sir? Thank you very much, like, I love you. I ain't tell him that, but that's just what I'm thinking in my head, cause he was a nice fucking guy. Build me a little house, you know what I'm saying, forever home. I want a modern home, you know, some futuristic shit, like modern home. The block houses, maybe I'm gonna get, like, I might have my shit like white and black, have me a black ghost parked out front, have a motherfucking G-Wagon parked out front, a white G-Wagon though, cause I already got the black ghost. Then I have the Jeep in the garage, then I might throw a lamp on it. What you think? I ain't do this, I swear to God.
Oh,
I swear to God.
You've been here for 5 minutes.
Hey, I didn't do this though.
Oh.
I didn't do this. I'm innocent as fuck. Oh, I think I just pushed it off the motherfucking head. Type shit. I was just trying to close the door and shit.
There we go.
You too.
I'm gonna do the head tilt like that. Y'all see it? My phone did like that right there. Boom. I seen it out my peripheral. Like, my phone did that.
You heard that?
Nah.
Like, he's so
Hot. That's a Disney channel right there. Yo, dude!
When you got money, boy, all girls think you hot. All girls think no homo shit. You know what I mean? It's crazy though. When you have nothing, they don't fuck with you. But when you have something, shit, they will eat you alive, man.
Hey, yo, let me get a picture. No, can we get a picture? I want you, bro. What the? No, what? Oh, what the fuck? No way, dude, Dennis. No.
Where your phone at? Where your phone? Disney channel.
Dennis!
Hey, your best videos 24 hours in Miami, bro. That shit was hilarious.
Oh yeah. It's Phoenix, right?
Yeah. How to get a hoe? Cause like I can't.
Bro, what the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Hey, bro, you're the risk king, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta tell us.
Bro,
come on, bro.
How do I get a hoe?
Bro, y'all handsome niggas, bro. Well, not niggas, but like y'all some. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I didn't mean to blow up your small like that. I really did. I'm really sorry though. What are you doing out here though? Did you go to Old Town? Are you going?
why you so cheesy? Why you smiling so hard?
Because you're so hot. You are. He's so.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 24.
Really?
Yeah.
Why didn't you get your number something, man?
What?
Something.
How old are you? I don't even know how old you are. Wait, why?
Bro,
This is not your phone.
bro, look. Bro, it is my phone. Where? What?
No. Where are you going tonight, though?
I'm going to Old Town though. You going?
I live here, yeah.
You going to Old Town? What time should I go?
Go pull of, I swear to God, if Duke Dennis pull ice, like a eating ice, he'll get the bitches just like that. A nigga pull up a flip phone, he will get the number too. That's crazy.
10? Yeah, check, man, make sure, man.
It's not even Sunday.
Bro, when my phone ain't working, bro. Hold on, I got you, bro, I got you. Don't trip. This shit say connected. Oh, it say your line busy, bro. Damn, why my shit ain't working? How y'all doing, man? How y'all?
Yeah. Have a great day.
Y'all too, man. Y'all let me know which city or state I should go do a 24-hour video next. Waleed saying Toronto, but I don't know. I might take y'all word over Waleed. What the? Y'all let me know which city. Come at your city, man. If y'all live in Rhode Island, let me know, cause I might choose that. Oh shit! You the only black person on the team. What's going on?
This guy thinks the earth is flat. Huh? He thinks the earth is flat.
That's his business, though. That's his I ain't seen a single black person yet, but hey, fuck it. Where are the?
Where are the what? The white people or black people?
Black.
Black?
Yeah. Where do I find them?
Pretty please.
Huh?
Pretty please.
Where is it?
Or I heard that they come out on Sundays also.
Fuck. Hey.
I'm serious. I heard they come out on Sundays.
Okay, so I'm not here on the wrong night.
Wrong night. If you come out on Sundays, then it's gonna be a lot more.
So it's on y'all right now. That's fine. That's cool.
Go to Pretty Please.
Hey, Dave.
I heard they come out on.
What?
Black people come out on Sunday.
I ain't gonna lie to you,
We party on Saturdays, that's what we do.
She's smart though, I ain't gonna lie. She said date, I ain't gonna lie. She's smart. She don't want us to nigga.
Hey, why the black bitches?
Yo, I made a whole video on my Instagram, bro. They don't be going for niggas out here like that.
What, the white girls?
Yeah, the black girls, they don't really be going for niggas out here like that. What's up, dude?
What's going on, bro?
Can I get a picture with you, man?
That's gonna happen when I get famous, man. When I get my 2 million subscribers. What's up, Cartier? What's up, Cartier? Oh, people gonna get jealous of me for sure, but I don't give a fuck.
Phoenix, Arizona is cool, but unfortunately they lack color.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. Y'all the first black people I done seen the whole night.
I believe it. I know niggas.
Why you didn't tell me that?
Sorry.
Where you about to go right now?
What you about to do?
I don't think I got your number.
That's all I was telling them.
Oh, here you go. Got the flip phone. Hold on. I just bought it, so I gotta learn how to work this motherfucker. Yeah. You gotta work this? I think you gotta hold the number like when you.
Oh, I'm calling somebody. Oh no.
Okay. Yeah, I ain't put nobody number in there yet, so I don't know how to use it. Huh? Just trying to. Simple shit. That motherfucker work though. Yeah. They're starting to come out, man. Huh?
I'll be in it for you. What's it for?
Shit. They got boyfriend. They leave the boyfriend just for dope. I don't know if the boyfriend, but look at this one. Look at the little one. They hold hands. This one with him. Oh boy. Oh shit. These hoes ain't loyal.
What's it for? What's the video for?
We're doing
Oh shit, okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt the video.
Oh, now you good. So look, we from Rhode Island.
Okay.
Okay. And we just came down to where we at, Scottsdale.
Yeah. Roll Tide.
Oh yes, ma'am. You should get one. You look really good for one. Now,
Oh, it was the grill, man. I want some grill. Ooh.
Look good in it. You look good.
Really?
With it, yeah.
thank you very much. But listen, we doing a survey
Okay.
on the ratio of.
Oh, I got this. I'm ready.
No, you gotta listen to what the
No,
survey
but
is about.
just question me.
What's your survey about?
She drunk. Yeah, she drunk. Must be.
The survey is about like the
About,
type shit.
yeah, I
Right.
know.
Okay,
Like I've been searching, I've been looking, I haven't seen not one.
the wet
So, yeah.
Oh, okay.
My best friend's black.
Your best friend, but
Yeah.
right.
You like
My bling.
shining.
Right,
That is like shining.
right.
You said $100.
I love that. You're blinging. You're
Right.
blinging.
Okay.
You got your grill.
Yeah, okay.
You got your
Fuck up, everyone.
chains.
Yeah, I think y'all boyfriend just left y'all.
Yeah, they did. They did. Well, they're good. They're good.
No, we don't care about them.
We'll find our way back to them.
You guys said
They're good. They're good.
Y'all listen to country music.
Yeah.
I bet the fuck you do.
You like? I promise you will find them. You will. You will.
Thank you very much for doing my survey with you. This is Rhode Island News, Channel 17.
Renee.
And there you go. Hey, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. And we out. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
They out here now. Cap. That's the fourth one I done seen. And who's counting?
Yeah.
Hey, I need to get your number. I ain't never get it. What you?
Wait, what the fuck is that?
Wait.
You have a Motorola.
It's not a fucking Motorola.
Motorola Razr. I have that. That's my first one.
This your first phone?
No.
Oh yeah, nah. But what you trying to play my phone for though? You trying to play my phone like? Alright, that's cool. Alright, I got you.
Bro, you had me.
What you mean? What is that? Hold on, man. What the fuck you mean? What is that, man?
I didn't say that.
Oh yeah, I'm doing the vlog. My bad.
Damn, what?
You don't want to be in my vlog?
I'll be in the corner.
You'll be in my vlog?
Nah, I'm just playing on YouTube.
Yeah.
No, but for real, come here. Let me get you for a second. Let me get you for a second. Listen, come here.
Cameraman, look.
Oh shit.
He is. I'm for real. Listen, I wasn't all up in your mouth like that.
This girl crazy. If a girl says shit like this to me, I'll be like, are you FBI? Are you trying to set me up? Like, that shit don't happen easy, you know what I mean?
Your ass gets a. That's what I'm saying. So
Wait, let me get your number.
let me see.
Oh,
Why?
Fuck no.
No, stop.
What the fuck you got?
My
I
bad, I'm
didn't
so sorry.
expect that. Come on.
Yeah.
You want to try for them so they ain't gonna track you? Go back. I don't know.
Bro, ain't no way you
I'm
just
trying
let.
to be respectful.
Yeah, just like type in the number and shit like that. Just type it in. Yeah, you typing it. You
Don't
typing.
be taking pictures.
You typing the fuck out there. Yeah.
Call it so I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
The Lambo?
I'm calling.
Oh my God.
Bingo!
Alright, nah, my bad. My bad.
Yeah.
It's the exclusive behind the scenes y'all don't get to see.
What you say?
drunk, nigga.
What the fuck is this thing even talking about?
Hey, my fault. Hey,
They must have security, man.
Let's do it. Hey, Davo.
Cause shit getting crazy out there. when my boy Duke Dennis here.
Take this flick for bro. Get this one for the league.
nigga, don't like a cameraman.
Nah, I got it.
I got you, bro.
He play with you,
I got you, If they come out blurry, bro, I'm drunk. Alright, it's all good.
You know what? Hold on.
But this nigga Davo, some motherfucking.
Oh,
Shut up. What do you say?
Bro,
that's
this
a
nigga
start.
so tender, bro.
Put it in your mouth.
That shit's insane, bro. This nigga out there hooping with.
Shut up, nigga.
Bro,
You ain't
what
Tupac,
Bro,
nigga.
what
You
the
trying
fuck
to have a
are you
do-rag on like
doing,
you
bro?
Tupac.
What are you doing hooping with? You can't even hoop. That's the thing, bro. You can't even hoop, my nigga. I've never hooped with Dabo, ever. Ever.
Nigga loving basketball.
And the first thing this nigga do is take a bitch to the basketball. Hey, this shit nigga do for bitches, bro. This nigga know damn well he do not hoop ever. First thing he do is take the bitch to the basketball court.
You had too much tonight? I can tell.
I need the real.
Oh, why did you give me a proper head? I need an all ear drop to me.
How you doing? You doing all right?
If not, you don't like it. I have a
I definitely.
I'm sorry. I don't want to be.
Let me get your number.
You see how easy I got so much number. I don't want them. I'll only back me touching. I was about to say, I don't want shit. What else?
Why are you looking at my phone like that?
TCL was in this.
The brand is irrelevant.
How updated is this? Like,
My shit works.
how updated? Like, is this new? How new is this? How do I put my number in this?
Start, yeah.
I want to be on the iPhone, not the flip phone. Where's the iPhone? I know you got like 2 of them. I don't want to be on the flip phone.
No. You not gonna be the one using
I
it.
tell these niggas, shut up.
Bro, I make plays with this motherfucker. You see a motherfucker ringing though.
It's not a camera up here.
You can't
You
flip
can't
Bro,
get
why
up
you?
here.
What the?
Hold on. Wait.
Hold on, I'm gonna take one of you.
Why are you looking at me and talking? You said, oh yeah, what? Okay, there we go.
Wait. All right, go for it.
Okay, no, chill. What do you mean?
What is that?
Just do like a. You just gotta do it once. Come on, I'll leave you alone.
Type shit, it's just once. Like, it's just a little.
You're like, when you see someone, you're like,
It's not gay, it's not. You just gotta.
wait, why did you bring gay into it? Now he's so sussed out.
It's just me.
I'm like, no, for real. I'm like, no, I'm going.
Okay, hold on. You do it. Do it.
Dude, go Ash. Go, Victoria.
You do it.
Come on, bitch, don't hold on. Together. Ready? 1, 2.
Nah, this actually from
Kate,
NYC.
someone Kate.
He's a little nervous. You watch Disney Channel?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
No.
Yeah, no, I've never. What the fuck is Disney Channel? I've never seen
I'm so
it.
beyond that.
What is Disney Channel? You watch Disney Channel?
Certified weird.
Who watch Disney Channel? I watch Disney app. But they have movies and shit. Not Disney Channel. We leave that shit behind now.
That'd be a good look for my people.
What?
Cut this fucking camera off right now. They fucking creep me out. Honey, that was y'all purpose trying to say.
He's right behind me! Wait!
He set that shit up. No way, because he knows. That's why he came up with
I don't want to be in this. I don't want to. That was y'all purpose chance to say it, but y'all gotta listen.
He's right behind me, isn't he? Yes.
Nah, I just want to see what y'all gonna say. I'm never gonna forget the nigga Dabo actually took a bitch outside to hoop when he can't hoop.
I did what?
What do you say?
What? We're not ready.
No, hold on.
In front of the hall.
That nigga ain't shit. That nigga ain't shit.
Hey, in front of the.
That nigga ain't shit. Fuck that.
Hey, in front of the hall.
This one for you. Victoria, come here.
In front of the hall, bro. Niggas be doing too much.
Wet like water.
It's cold as fuck out here though. Hey, Willie, you saw that shit? In front of the hose, though.
Yo, his vlog is always interesting, man. I can't watch this motherfucker all day. No, you know, in a good way. A real motherfucker, you know what I mean?
You got D-Block in the building. Oh yeah, my dog. I know what's going on. Got a Magic jersey on. A Magic jersey on here.
Hey, dude.
Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. We like experimenting with Phoenix and shit, trying to find like beautiful black people like y'all.
Oh, I like your sweater.
Thank you.
It looks so warm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like the black cups, like Pretty Please, or like 11-11.
Where y'all going?
Yeah, we were gonna get some food.
Right.
Where are you going?
I mean, I'm going wherever the black people at. So I guess
Yeah, Pretty Please.
it be lit.
Oh, it'd be so
It
lit.
is very late. It's just like when it gets later, like around 12:30. That's when it starts getting popular. No, it gets lit in there for real. But I don't know about a Sunday. I don't know. It's up to you.
You don't go out much?
We homebodies.
Homebodies.
Yeah, we homebodies.
Okay.
Are
Type
you
shit.
gonna be in there?
I think so.
I'm gonna be sad if I don't see you. Let me know if you.
As a matter of fact, let me just get your number or something.
Okay.
Wait. Damn.
What's your friend's name? They just over here.
That book bag is fire. I want to be like Duke, man. Got swag and shit, you know what I mean? All the girls in the world, you know what I mean? With the flip phone, you know what I mean? Get that grill, the chain. I already got the locks, so, you know.
What? This is crazy. You are right now.
Not the flip phone.
Not the burner phone.
Hey.
What is wrong? I'm just trying to take it back to simpler shit. What is wrong with
You know
this?
damn well. You're not gonna get me off that.
Not the flip phone.
You're not.
Is something wrong with this? Something wrong with this for real?
Nah, I feel like you're just a little bit too bougie to have a flip phone.
Yeah,
Like I'm bullshitting? So you wouldn't give me your number with this motherfucker right here?
You will lose your
It's
chance.
like you hiding a whole.
You will lose your chance, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Skip her ass. Move on to the next one. Next, bitch. Next.
I got a bitch or something.
Yeah, for real. I'm like, that's
I can respect that right there. I can respect that right there. Now,
Hey, look at her.
now I was just saying if you was gonna give it to me though. But you made a valid point. I might be hiring like I'm in a relationship or something. They wasn't fucking with me just.
Can I take a picture with you, please?
Yeah.
I don't even have my fucking phone on.
Bro, how the fuck do you not have your phone
Okay,
on you,
because
bro?
I was in the car smoking, so you know I gotta cheat before I do anything.
You had the chief smoke. Are you one of them people who can't eat until they smoke?
No, I can eat before I smoke.
Oh, there's some crackhead ass shit.
No. What table y'all finna go to right now?
Everybody been saying pretty please and shit. That where you going?
Nah, I got my brother-in-law Drew got a table at Riot right now.
Yeah, you should have pulled up to my shit. We could have had a blast. Word.
But
Okay.
yeah, hey, if you want to, I can let
I'm
him know.
invited to your shit.
You want to go? You can come right now.
I'm doing the experiment.
I know, but
I'm trying to find the black
later
people.
day.
I'm trying to find the black people, and I ain't doing a good job.
I mean, my boyfriend Roy, he black.
He black? Hey, tell that nigga Roy he a real ass nigga. Well,
Yeah.
shit. Hey, man, look, enjoy yourself and shit.
You too.
Appreciate everything. Of course, yes, ma'am.
You got big things coming. I got big things coming.
We got big
Big
things.
things coming. Hey.
Say less. Okay.
Say
You have a
less.
good night, man. Damn. I like how she included me in her manifestation. I fuck with it.
She came up to take a photo and
forgot. But it's a real nigga though. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, listen, man. Thank y'all for helping me to open up my very first.
Baby, hey, I like those heels. And I like those toes. I don't even like to suck toes, but I suck yours. Toes in my mouth, right now. Right now. Okay, don't do it. I'm just joking, bro. Relax. Everybody is nice. Everybody is nice. All right.
This nigga said, I don't lick toes, but I'll lick yours. That's cap. Right. All of this because a nigga wanted to suck her toes. Hey, look, bro. I done opened up my own goddamn. This nigga just gave me some good ass sliders, bro. And some good ass wings, bro. Need some.
Water in fed my dog. Hey, look, bro, look. I watch you, man. Come up.
Oh, what?
Yes, sir.
Hey, look. And guess what? If this shit was ass, I'll let you know.
I know you're real.
This some good ass shit, bro.
I like this nigga, man. That nigga Will. I'm Will too. I'll tell you in front of your face. Yo, stop being whole ass shit, man. You need to fix this, you need to fix that. Simple as that. I'm always cross the line, man. Even at work, I'm not playing.
Boy, doing shit like this to make a nigga real upset. It'll make a nigga real upset. Like, bro, who the fuck does nigga think he is? Who the fuck does nigga think? Who the fuck does nigga really think he is? I don't think I'm nobody. Hey, chill out.
I've been peeping shit all night.
My shit?
Yeah.
I be like on some low key shit. Where y'all going?
You have somebody to go after, but.
Oh, my bad. This none of my business. Well, shit.
But what you about to do?
I'm probably just finna head back to my B&B and shit. Chill out. Nice meeting y'all, man. Wherever y'all about to go, be safe. That's the number one thing.
You want us to go there?
And guess what? Come on.
You heard? This guy died. Like, she pretty though. She pretty. I ain't gonna lie, but you know, she alright. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. But anyway, Duke Dennis didn't even ask for nothing. And she said, "Can I go to your house? Can I come to you? Can I come here?" Look.
Like on some low key shit. Where y'all going?
You have somebody to go after, but.
Oh, my bad. This none of my business. Well, shit.
But what you about to do?
I'm probably just finna head back to my B&B and shit. Chill out. Nice meeting y'all, man. Wherever y'all about to go, be safe. That's the number one thing.
You want us to go there?
You want us to go there? Like, he didn't even ask. That's crazy, man. That's crazy.
And guess what? Come on, man. Look, that's why I stay in my own lane, bro. Mind my own business, bro. Because guess what? That mean a nigga has nothing to do with me. I don't talk to niggas. I don't fuck with niggas. I stay in my own circle, bro. I only talk to Davo, bro. Any nigga after that, bro, you don't know me. You know why? Because I be in my own. I don't even be on the scene.
Dude, if you can't fit through that door, I'm not coming outside.
Ass. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make that one.
Oh, man.
Right.
All right.
Oh, I thought you.
Oh, she can't.
Mom, you can lock in. It's over there. That's crazy.
I can leave some things. That's you.
Why the fuck is y'all turning up to this right now?
Yeah.
Y'all was tweaking. Y'all ass is tweaking right now. Bro, there's no way I invited the hoe. So they can listen.
I can be real good. Please don't get in your feelings. Bro, there's no way this shit sounds so real. You cannot convince me that.
He mad as shit. Fly guy.
Me? As fuck. As fuck too, look.
With the flip phone. Hold on, flick up with the phone real quick.
Oh,
it's in the back.
put your number in it right now.
I'm reading it right now.
Put your number in it right now. Fuck it. See, look.
How do you even use it though?
Look, put your number in 5.
Not you having a voicemail. Oh, okay, put it right.
Put your number in there. Put your number in there right now.
Call it. It's gonna work.
Call your shit.
It's gonna ring.
Hello?
Yo. And what am I calling you on? Like what device am I on? What you mean? I'm on an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I'm gonna FaceTime you later and shit. I bet. All right. Listen, make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, hey, T. Hey. Hey. Subscribe. Subscribe. 3 million. 3 million.
How much you said? 3 million is 3 million.
That nigga know he getting 3 views.
That's
3 views. Maybe 300,000.
Y'all hit us? What? What? Y'all hit her? Can y'all hit her?
Make sure y'all share, like, comment,
Hey,
and subscribe.
do y'all hear how motherfuckers be hate? Hey, y'all show these motherfuckers talking about the 3 views. We finna get 3 views in 0.5 milliseconds. Cause I love y'all. I adore y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do anything for y'all.
She said you don't get 300,000 subs. That's what she said.
Listen, I love y'all. I adore y'all. I would do anything for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Duke Dennis, man. Shit. I'm going to sleep. I'm out, man. One day I want to meet Duke Dennis, man. On the AMP. You know? I said that. Oh, those niggas, man. Oh, those niggas. Alright, man. Peace. I'm out.